讲一个笑话。
上午好，我陪你一起听笑话，
I asked
闭眼
him
签名
to
吧。
play
小涛，爸爸，
to
您
tell
会闭
a
着眼睛
joke.
写字吗？爸爸，这还不会。
Yeah, and
小
he
涛
is，telling
那好。
讲一个故事。I asked to tell a story. Most educational robots' function is very similar. Tell jokes, tell stories, tell you answer that any questions you want to know about the world, about many things. But the most different thing is that speech interactive systems are depending on the natural language process technology. So actually, different robots use different speech interactive systems. So their NLP
你的爸爸妈妈
technology is
很爱
different.
你哟。
Then it shows out the answer is different. Sometimes you can ask him a question and then he answer you. But if you answer 3 or 5 or many questions which is connected like that, what's your name? I want to be friends with you. I only want to be friends with you. Only a human being's brain can work about this is kind of connected questions. But this kind of robots, its speech interactive system is not that good. So
我们可以一起培养
he
生
only
活好
can
习惯。
answer
你
your
可以
question
跟我
one
说，
line.
我想听好习
It
惯故
means
事。
he only can answer the questions that obviously is question. Okay, I don't know. I don't know I speak it clearly or not. If you have questions, welcome to comment on my under my videos, and I will reply you by writing. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.